Okay, it's me again, Technology Freak. And, anyways, today I'm going to talk about a USB refrigerator. Um, Now, before you get excited, it's not very big. It's only big enough to hold one 12-ounce can of soda. Um, Looks like a miniature refrigerator. Um, I found some on that actually says, I did the other day that actually said with mini USB refrigerator on it, and now I can't seem to find it. This right here is kind of like that. I guess it's just another name. Maybe it's probably a different brand too. It says USB thermal cooler and warmer, so you can warm your can up too. Although if it's a soda, why would you want it warm? Anyways, you can plug it into a USB port and just one can, and so yeah, it's a miniature refrigerator. It's big enough for one can of soda. Um, so yeah, it's pretty interesting. I didn't even know this thing is out, unless it's new. Huh. Anyways, it's amazing these gadgets that they have now. Uh, that's it for this video. Bye.